Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that QUQ token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, QUQ originates from emoji meme coins. QUQ is the most commonly used emoji in the world in the original meme IP and one of the most commonly used expressions in CGBNB. QUQ is a meme coin put on Binance Smart Chain BSC that's centered around the emoji, positioning itself as a community-driven digital assets with a focus on humor and culture relevance. QUQ token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion QUQ token. QUQ token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.